Have you ever looked through social media, Etsy, print-on-demand sites, and seen all the super fun, cute stickers out there and thought, could I do that with my art? Well, it's actually a lot easier than you might think. So stick around and I'll show you how to create simple illustrative art on your iPad using Procreate, and then we'll turn that into stickers. Hi, my name's Isabelle. I'm a graphic designer, illustrator, surface designer. Basically, I'm a jack of all trades when it comes to anything artistic. For the past few years, I've been mostly doing digital art, and I love using the Procreate app, mostly for the ease of being able to undo or change something. For me, it really removes some of that stress of trying to make the perfect piece of art on the first try. In fact, I use the two-finger tap undo function so much that when I go back to drawing in a sketchbook, I'm actually double tapping on the paper more than once in one sitting. This class is for anyone wanting a fun and stress-free way to learn how to use Procreate while creating illustrative stickers. It's always fun to see your art on a physical product, and in my opinion, stickers are the easiest to make yourself at home. In this class, we will cover how to create a custom-sized canvas, how to organize your brushes for a better workflow, how to create custom color palettes to fit your project. We will create from our imaginations using quick shapes and the drawing assist. I'll share with you my process to create simple and illustrative images. I'll be making a set of 3 summer cool treats, a couple popsicles and an ice cream cone, but you can make anything you want. I will also show you how to use layers and masks to add shadows and texture. And what I think is the most important is how to work in a non-destructive manner. Now, don't let that scare you. I know it sounds scary. All that means really is working in a way that you can always go back and make and easily change things. And of course, I'll show you the simplest way to make your stickers yourself at home without the use of an expensive die-cut machine. By the end of this class, you will have some beautiful stickers that you can use anywhere. But most importantly, I hope that you will also have a simple workflow that you can apply to any form of illustration on Procreate. Are you ready to get started? Let's go.